So if you are a fresher and want to come into the field of data analytics, or if you are experienced and want to switch your domain to data analytics, so make sure to subscribe this channel because here we do not bring only job notification but also upgrade your skills. Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. So today we have two big job opportunity for data analyst. So if you are a fresher and having a good analytical skill, you can definitely eligible and you can apply here. So our first job notification is from Myntra company. So those who don't know about the Myntra company, so basically it is a e-commerce company having expertise in fashion and design, and it is one of the leading companies, so you will get a good exposure if you will work over here. And the most important thing is the work culture of the company, so it is very good. So coming to the roles and responsibility, if you will work as a data analyst over here, so you have to build template dashboard in Excel, Google Sheet, Power BI for operational and management reporting. You have to create statistical and analytical models and methods for the data analysis related to customer initiatives and growth hacks, including issues of diagnostic, problem dissection, and tracking of results. You have to run and maintain the reporting system. That means you have to support various dashboards and report. Here you have to do data extraction as per the business request for the ad hoc analysis. You have to assist the team in data analysis and mining. So your business analytical skill and problem solving skill should be good. Now coming to the skills, if you have strong database concept and experience in SQL, or you have expertise in Excel and Power BI, then only you will get shortlisted. So if you have certificate or you are trained on these skills or having experience, you can definitely apply. So working experience in R, Python, Tableau, ClickView, Data Studio is a good to have of working in a customer growth and customer analytical role is a plus point for them. And at last you have to be quick learner and team player. Now coming to the qualification and eligibility. So if you have done your bachelor's degree in computer science, maths, analytical, or if you have done MBA, you can apply here. And it will be plus point if you have 2+ year of working experience in reporting and business intelligence system. So I have mentioned the link in the description, you can check that. So it requires a lot of effort to put such videos in front of you people, so make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. Moving on to our next opportunity, so it is coming from Tata Steel. So the profile is of data analyst and the location is going to be Jamshedpur. So if you are willing to relocate to Gujarat, you can apply here. Now coming to our job related information. So they are seeking a skilled and detail oriented data analyst to join their team. The ideal candidate will have a strong analytical mindset, excellent problem solving skills, and a passion of transforming data into actionable insight. As a data analyst, you will be responsible for collecting, analyzing, interpreting the large data set to drive informed decision making. Now coming to the key roles and responsibility for this role. So basically here you have to collect, clean and pre-process the data from multiple sources to ensure the data accuracy. You have to perform exploratory data analysis to identify trends, patterns and anomalies. You have to develop and implement data models, algorithm and statistical technique to extract meaningful insights. You have to create data visualization, reports, and dashboard to communicate findings to the stakeholders. You have to conduct A/B testing and experiment to evaluate effectively of different strategies. You have to continuously monitor and optimize data process to improve effectively and scalability. So basically, as per the client requirement, you have to collect, clean, and pre-process data. You have to transform the data into the meaningful insights by the help of different logic, algorithm, and statistical techniques. And at last, you have to create reports and dashboards with the help of reporting tool like Power BI, Tableau, ClickView. Now coming to skills required and technical competencies. So one must be proficient in SQL, Python, R or other programming languages. Here you must know data manipulation and analysis. Here you must have strong knowledge of statistical methods and machine learning. If you have experience in data visualization, for example, within the tool like Tableau, Power BI, you will get more preference. Now coming to the eligibility, so if you have done BTech, PE, MSc, MTech, MS, so you can go through the roles and responsibility, and if you think you are eligible, you can apply here. Link is in description. So that is all in today's video. I hope you liked it. If you like it, click on the like button and subscribe for more such updates. Thank you.